Okay, hello everyone. I am trying my very first virtual learning as well as you are. I'm sorry that we're in this position. I would love for you all to be sitting here in class today so that I could tell you to put your cell phones away and we could have packets that we would work on. But now we're going to have to do this remotely. So the first thing I would say to you at home is please put your cell phones away unless you're using your calculator. Second thing, we do have packets. You should have gotten an email that from the class or from the school that said this is how you log on, or you should have gotten a phone call explaining how we're going to log on. But everyone will have a folder that they can go to watch these videos every day and to work on the math packets that I have prepared. Now, we're not going to learn anything new, so what we're going to do is just review all of the things that we've been doing up to this point, preparing for the state test. Unfortunately, we're not in school and we are not going to take the state test, but these are the things that we would have learned that would have gotten us there. So today we're going to work on our very first lesson. It's going to be on exponents. If you recall, when we have an exponent, that is something, a number to a power, 5 to the 5th power. It means what? 5 times 5 times 5 times 5 times 5. 5 times, okay? So, as we're working through these, on your worksheet today, you will be multiplying, dividing, and subtracting exponents. Hopefully, I can get this explained in this video. I attached all the rules. You have a whole packet of rules that we will be using for exponents, for surface area, how to calculate surface area of a cylinder or of a square or of a box of some sort. So you should have all of those as your references. You were also given those in class, so hopefully you have those in your folders that you can reference back to as you're solving these problems on the packets. So as we are going through, whenever we have a problem, and let's just pretend it's 5 to the 2nd times 5 to the 8th. When we multiply exponents, we add the two exponents together. So if we have 5 to the 2nd times 5 to the 6th, the answer is really 5 to the 8th. It's pretty simple. So we're adding the exponents and we're coming up with 5 to the 8th power. When we divide exponents and we have a fraction, we have 5 to the 6th power and we divided by 5 to the 3rd power, we subtract the exponents. If you'll remember that, and it's also on your reference sheet. So 5 to the 6th divided by 5 to the 3rd is really, the answer will be 5 to the 3rd power. Pretty easy there. All right, now when we multiply exponents, when we have a number that has an exponent, and we put it in parentheses, and that is raised to another power, we now multiply those exponents. So if you'll recall, 5 to the 2nd power, raise that up to the 4th power, is the answer will really be 5 to the 8th. 2 times 4 is 8. Okay? Now, when we have a negative exponent, it's a little bit different. Okay? If you'll recall, we have x to the negative 7th. What you do is you put 1 over x to a positive, raise it to a positive 7th, and that's what your answer will be. It will be a fraction underneath, okay? As it's a negative on top, it'll become a fraction on the bottom. Put 1 over your number, raise it to the power, and that's what your answer will be. So if you will work on these worksheets, the first one is dated 4/6. I'm not sure if you're getting that on the 6th or if you're going to get it on the 7th. But that will be the first one that you work on. Lots of problems. You've already seen these worksheets, so we'll go through them again. Make sure you understand them. Turn them in. If you get a higher grade on this worksheet than you did previously, I'll substitute that grade and it will raise your grade in the grade book. So, good luck, and hopefully these little videos and worksheets will be helpful in getting your grades up and understanding what would be needed on the state test. Thank you.